Hi guys, it's Melissa from Skin Survival here, and I'm here just to tell you about Factor 4. So, what is Factor 4? So who can have Factor 4? Basically, anybody can have Factor 4 as long as your skin is not infectious. As long as you have no inflammation in your skin at the moment anyway, no certain drugs. I mean, we go through all this with the consultation, but the majority of people, I'd say 95% of the population who have any problems with their skin can have this done, who aren't happy with their skin. The results are absolutely amazing. The procedure is as follows. So the client, you come in and you have blood taken, and it's only 20 mils of blood, so it's not a lot. Then I take your blood, I incubate it, I separate it, I filter it, I do everything, and then I freeze it. I freeze your plasma. So your red blood cells are thrown away, and I freeze your plasma. This can stay in the freezer for up to 7 months. So, if you decide that you don't want to have it done there and then, it's a good thing to come in and have the blood done first, and then you can go away, then you can have the series of treatments, which is 4 treatments. You have the first treatment, then a week later you have the second treatment, then 10 days later you come in and have the third treatment, then 2 weeks later you have the 4th treatment. And every time it's like a progression, so every time I go in a little bit deeper. You feel absolutely no pain whatsoever with skin needling. I know the word needling sounds as if it's very painful, but it's not at all. You have anesthetic put on your face for an hour. It's medical grade anesthetic. You do not feel a thing, that I can promise you. That is taken off, and then the needling process takes up to about half an hour. I use your plasma, so we take your plasma out of the freezer. Everything's all marked with your name on it, cannot get mixed up with anybody else's. I sprinkle your plasma onto your skin before doing the skin needling, and then it's done. Everything's done. It improves your collagen and elastin production tenfold, 100-fold. The results of this is amazing. You cannot get the results from this from any other treatment. I've used so many different things: microdermabrasion, laser, IPL. Factor 4 is by far the most outstanding and amazing treatment of our time. I work alongside a doctor. He does it in his practice. This procedure is only given to medical centers. I feel so fortunate that I'm able to do it. The reason why I'm able to do it is because I've done all the training. I'm a qualified beauty therapist. I've taught beauty therapy and numerous other things as well in the field before. And I just love this. Factor 4 is the best thing around. The results I've seen, I've had a client who had very bad acne scarring. She has actually had fillers put in her face in the past to cover up the acne scarring, which worked very well. But unfortunately, fillers are only temporary, so you can't get the prolonged effect. Whereas with the Factor 4, now she's had it done a year ago, she up till this day does not wear makeup, whereas she would not go out of her house without wearing makeup in the past. She just loves it. She's coming in having another treatment just because of the results that she's already got. So she figures that if she's already had such amazing results, and she's going to have better ones, and she's probably right. The results of the Factor 4 last over a period of time because we keep the skin in micro trauma. So the collagen and elastin, it slowly starts to build over a period of time. It's not like having a facelift or having Botox, or it's nothing as extreme as that. But the effects of the skin, the condition of the skin is just amazing. You can't get those effects with a facelift or with Botox or with fillers. So if you're interested, guys, give me a call. The number is 5821 0338. See ya!